welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Evie West. If this is your first time watching the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'll be talking once again about the wonder herb called Neem tree or the neem leaf. This is a very powerful herb in Africa. We have this all over the world, and I just cannot talk about this enough. Today I want to talk about a particular incident, encounter I have with it again. This is something that we use very well in Africa. In West Africa, we call it Dogoyaro. If you know that name, you are from Africa, you must know the word Dogoyaro. This is the Dogoyaro. The Asian name is Neem. They call it Neem tree, N-E-E-M, Neem. Then the botanical name is Azadirachta indica, something like that. But this tree is very important. It's a very powerful tree. It is a wonder plant. In fact, the United Nations have called it the tree of the 21st century, because it's a tree that can cure so many things. It has more than 200 illnesses it can heal. It's something that is very magical. It's a tree for solving global problems. This is the term that they use, and it's exactly that. This is something that you really need in your arsenal. You need to be using from time to time, and it is very popular. Once again, I have discovered this tree in Manila, and guess what? The people here, they don't even know the importance of this tree. They just plant it for shade and just for beauty and the rest. But we from Africa, we know the benefits. So since I've been seeing it around, I've been trying to get my hands on some of the leaves, and I happened to pluck some. Me and my friend, we got some, and I got more than enough. I put it actually in 3 bottles, and since I've been drinking it, my dreams have been, what I will say, through the roof. This is something that I have not drank for like almost a year now, since I left Africa. So I just started drinking it again when I discovered it. So what I did is that I get the leaves, you just put it inside the bottle, add your alcohol to it, your whiskey 40-45%, and let it sit for a day. Then you start drinking it about 1 shot before you go to bed, or 1 shot every day. What it does is that it's a miracle herb. It does a lot of things for the body. It purifies the body. It cleans your system. It is very good against diabetes, for body pain, there's something we call washing and setting in African parlance. Washing and setting. It purifies the system, cleans the blood vessels, blood circulation, and it's very good for heart. It's very good for a lot of things. It's also good for anti-aging, makes somebody to also look young and make you healthy, agile. It does so many things. You really need to do your research on it. But what I want to focus on today is its potency in the area of spirituality, for protection against spiritual attack. It is very good. If you are under attack from somebody or evil forces, or things are not just going well for you, you want to do a spiritual bath, neem leaf is something that you can never go wrong with. You get this neem leaf, you get this dogoyaro, you get a lot of them, you put them in a bucket, you boil them, then you bathe. In bathing with it, you can add salt, you can also add mango leaf to it, you can add any other kind of leaf. Some people also add their urine into the mixture, or they had sea salt and they use it to bathe. It works very well. It purifies, it cleans, it heals. It has medicinal and strong spiritual property. It is something that you can never go wrong with. Okay, when you come to Dogoyaro, it's a very powerful herb. This is something that can help you a lot, and it's not also expensive, and you can find it in every country. I believe all the countries I've been to, I have seen Dogoyaro there. So it's something you can easily get your hands on, whether in Nigeria, in America, Latin America, Asia. You will always find neem. Okay, in Ayurvedic medicine, they use it a lot. So it's something that is very powerful. In the area of dream work, since I've been drinking it, I have been having very, very crystal clear dreams. In fact, immediately I shut my eyes, it's like I'm just seeing things, I'm just seeing visions. It was so shocking that I couldn't even sleep, because anytime I close my eyes, I see things. So this thing is something that is very powerful. For those people that cannot remember their dreams, that are always complaining that they don't remember their dreams, I want you to try Dogoyaro. Go and find some Dogoyaro leaves, wash them, put them in alcohol, of at least 45% alcohol, pure alcohol, not those weak ones. Get a bottle of Schnapp or bottle of Chelsea, Gordon's dry gin. You know them, those people that drink, they know they are poison. Get it, put it in a bottle like this, let it sit for 1 day, then take a little bit of sip. It can be not a quantity. I don't say you should get drunk, something that is not more than this kind of cap, okay? It should not be more than this, very little alcohol. Don't go and down the whole bottle saying I say that you should go and drink. I don't support drunkenness. Take little cap and go to sleep. You're going to remember your dreams. Trust me, your dreams are going to be very, very clear, very, very crystal clear. It will be like you are in a movie, okay? So it's something that is very powerful. So by the grace of the ancestors, I have been able to get my hands on some neem leaves. I got more than enough. I actually have 3 bottles. Another one is inside the fridge. So I guess I'll be going a lot of astral trekking for now. I'll be doing a lot of astral trekking and stuff. So I want you guys to try it, okay? It is very easy to do. Just get it, put it in a bottle like this, put alcohol inside, let it sit there. You'll be drinking it before you go to bed. You will remember your dreams. There's no way you will take this stuff and you don't remember your dreams. I have also talked about this for astral projecting in a previous video, where I said that you burn it, you dry. For those people that don't like alcohol, they are alcohol intolerance for one reason or the other, you can also get the neem leaves, you dry it very well, then you burn it. As it is burning, you inhale the smoke, you inhale it very deeply, like an aromatherapy. It is also very good. It clears the third eye, goes into all the nerves, goes straight into the body. Then you go to sleep. What this does is that when you go into the dream, your dream will be so strong, it will even be hard for you to pull out. It's like you will so travel. This is what this leaf can do for you. This thing you just look in this bottle, it can do a lot of things more than many spiritual masters can even do for you. Okay, this leaf will take you there, to that place that you want. So it's something that is very, very important. I need to bring it here again because I've been drinking it for some days now, and wow, my dreams have been very, very explosive and very, very fantastic. Let me use that word. So I want you guys to try it. Don't forget about this leaf. It is easy to get. There's a lot of write-up on this neem leaves. A lot of research have been done. A lot of articles are on the internet. You can do your research on it. You can see this leaf is not something that that is just, it's a real stuff, okay? So there are a lot of materials on it already on the internet. You can actually go online, do a lot of research on it, and you try it. It's very powerful, but one thing is very bitter as well. If you are somebody that likes sweet things a lot, sugar, you will not like it. It is very, very bitter. But if you can bear the bitterness, the health benefits are enormous. For those people that are having diabetes problem, type 2 diabetes, this is something that will help you very, very well. It will neutralize those sugar, it will wash those excess sugar from your body. This does a lot of work in that regard. For so many illnesses in the body, it helps a lot. For those people that have that flu symptom, that other thing that people cannot say one or two things about, this is something that is magical, that will solve those problems. If you have any kind of health issue related to cardiovascular health, heart health, high blood pressure, digestive issues, diabetes, arthritis, the list is endless. This is something that we sure to help you to solve that problem for you. And it is not expensive, and you can easily source it in any country in the world, okay? So I want you guys to get your hands on it, take advantage of it, and start using it. And please don't forget to thank me later as usual. So this is what I have for you today. This is your Neem, very powerful stuff. Start using it and you'll be happy that you did. So questions or comments are welcome. Like and share the video as usual. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to get my videos and write-ups as soon as I upload them. And if you want to study African spirituality, my website is here, River of Knowledge. There's a lot of powerful stuff that I have been able to access and archive. You will get access to them. You in this place, I don't waste your time. I take you right into the meat of the matter, and I make sure that you get this knowledge and you can be able to empower yourself with this knowledge and your family and the rest people around you. Then if you want to read my book on quantum physics and African spirituality, it is here. It's a very concise book, Afrocentric, and it is easy to understand. You can get it from me. Okay, I sell it on this channel. Only on this channel you can get the e-copy. Okay, then if you want to do your spell, your love spell, hexes, pacts, all 9 yards, open doors, rituals, offerings, consultations, I do all this stuff. My number is right there on the screen. You can contact me on WhatsApp. I'll be here waiting for you. Apart from that, I thank you guys for watching, and of course I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.